What if you could drive a car that perfectly blends vintage charm with futuristic tech? Imagine cruising through the city in a vehicle that's both a nod to the past and a leap into the future. That's exactly what Citroën is delivering with the 2025 2CV, a legendary car reborn for a modern era. Stick around to find out why this is not just a car, it's a statement. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting updates like this one. Let's set the scene. The unmistakable curved roofline, those iconic round headlights, and the quirky corrugated hood are back, but now they come with a modern twist. Think LED lighting, aerodynamic tweaks, and a body built with lightweight aluminum and recycled materials. Classic design meets cutting-edge sustainability. Inside, it's a masterpiece of simplicity and innovation. The horizontal dashboard, reminiscent of the original, now features a sleek digital display for navigation and entertainment. Recycled fabrics and vegan leather give the interior an eco-friendly yet premium feel, and the spacious layout? Foldable rear seats make it as practical as ever, with a touch of modern convenience. But let's talk about what's under the hood, or rather, what replaces it. The 2025 2CV is fully electric, powered by a 100 kW motor delivering 134 horsepower. It's quiet, efficient, and perfect for city commutes with a range of up to 300 km on a single charge. Fast charging gets you 80% in just 30 minutes, keeping you on the move with minimal downtime. And the best part, it's affordable, staying true to its roots as the people's car. Starting at just $22,000, the 2025 2CV is set to bring sustainable driving to everyone. So, what do you think? Could this be your next ride? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and updates. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time!